Right, so we just stopped here at a picnic site. And this is, the grass is cut like I can't believe. But what's the difference between this and South Africa? In South Africa, first of all, you can't stop at a picnic site. Point number one, in South Africa, you can't stop. And point number two, in South Africa, it's so dirty. It looks like rubbish dumps. There's a bottle here and there, but it has been cleaned. This is freshly been. So, I mean, this is impressive. Hierdie is impressive. Hierdie is. I mean, you can sit here, you can have a broodjie or a what. In South Africa, you can't even stop at these places. You'll get murdered, you'll get robbed, you'll get mugged, you'll get raped. And here, absolute no fear of that. Absolutely nothing. So, Zimbabwe, well done. You're doing something right. Might not do everything right, but the people that want to throw us with stones for promoting South Africa is the ones that live in a country where it doesn't look like this. So yeah, is julle impressed, boys? Heavy impressed. Hier is nou vars gegooi iemand. Ja, dis sy wat hierdie botteltjies gegooi het. Maar overall, man, what a beautiful, beautiful country.